Look at me! Did you know about neon pigments? They don't glow in the dark, but in the daylight they shine brighter than the sun. Want your soap to scream? Then Neolight is for you. This is a palette of 25 ultra-bright neon colors, made for creators who want soap then get noticed. Perfect for beginners and professionals. Want more brightness? These pigments deliver. Just heat up, the colors are intense. This is third video about our pigments for melt and pour soap. We have 6 different pigment lines, each with its own purpose and color story. Today let's dive into the brightest, Neolight. What difference between pigment and dye? In short, dye bleeding over time. They blend and blur. Pigments don't bleed. They stay where you put them. Want sharp lines, color separation or fine details? Go with pigments. Neolight pigments can be mixed together, but technique matters. If the base gets too hot, the color can burn. If the first layer hasn't set and you pour the second, the colors will blend. One color 40 degrees in the microwave, that's burn the pigment. Want a simple one color soap? A dye is fine, even food coloring. But if you want vibrant, layered, professional looking soap, pigments are your tool. Neolight is made in Europe. Yes, they cost more than Claria, but they are absolutely worth it. How to choose your color? So many shades, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Start simple: red, yellow, blue, green. Want something more unique? Try the shade. Want pastels? Add pigment to a white base. No white base? Use white pigment to tint your clear base. Always check colors on different screens. Laptop and phone colors vary. Look on your partner's phone, your kid's tablet, and turn off the yellow light display settings. 25 colors in total. Best shades: red, yellow, blue, green, brown. Plus additional tones: 2 shades for green, yellow and red, 6 for pink, 7 for purple and blue. Some shades are truly unique, especially the purples and pinks. Neolight, it's easy to use. Non-bleeding, color stays where they belong. Liquid, no mixing needed. Mixable, create new shades, mix colors or try pastels by adding to white base. Smell-free, no smell to cover. Don't freeze, stable in any season. Works in hot Greece or cold Canada. Perfect for rinse-off product, like shampoos. Use just few drops per soap, depends on size and brightest you want. We recommend using soft squeeze bottles for easy dosing. Only for melt and pour soap, not for cold process. For cold process soap we have oxidessaline, iron oxide pigments then resist lye. More on that in the next video. Ingredients: pigment, water, glycerin. Made in Slovakia. Sediment or separation in the bottle? Totally normal. It won't affect your soap. Just shake well before use. Worried about the water? Don't be. We've tested these pigments under many conditions, in different strengths. No mold, just stable, reliable color. You have business with soap? Quality matters. And that includes what you use for color. Finding a reliable supplier isn't easy. I know, I've been in this business for 13 years. I've seen it all. Here's what you probably hate. Slow replies, we answer in under 2 hours on average. Long lead times. Some companies take 3 months, not us. We keep inventory ready. Missing documentation? We provide full MSDS. Big minimum quantity? Not here. Need 1 kilo? Get 1 kilo. Need pallet? Get pallet. Wholesale prices only huge volumes? Not with us. Business pricing starts in €250. Want samples? We'll send them. Try our pigments and see for yourself. It's the best pigments on the market. We ship worldwide. Text me to tutifarba@gmail.com. We'll send you our catalog and help you get started. Visit our website arisa.fun or find our partners on Etsy, Slovakia Colors, or find the pigments 300 Neolite. Or simply text me directly to email. Besides soap pigments, we also carry silicone mold, candle pigments, pigments for plaster and jasmonite, candela sand, sand wax, bath bomb dyes, and much more. In the next video we talk about pigments for cold process soap, about oxidaceous areas. Tag us in social media, our Instagram, TikTok. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you in the next video. Be bright!